Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Google Sheet file. So here I have the sheet with the name info magnified. So if I want to rename this file as something different, then all I need to do is double click on this file name and then we can edit. So let's say if I want to add something to this or to change entirely this name, double click on this a text and then remove and then add like practice sheet. So this is the one way where you can edit or rename your sheet. There is another way. Go to file and then click on rename. Again, it redirects to the same location. So now it is already selected. You need to remove with the backspace and then you can add the name which you want to add. Then there is one more option also available. Going to drive.google.com and then you can see there are multiple sheets are here. So this is a sheet which we want to change, rename. So here you have the option called rename. The shortcut also is visible when you're trying to rename, which is Control Alt E. Click on it and then change it. So this is how you can change your Google Sheet. So you can see it's automatically changed here. I did not even refresh because it's online sheet, so automatically it changes its name. So this is how you can rename your sheet with the three ways which I showed you. One is double clicking on this file name. Second is going to file and then clicking on rename. Third one is going to your drive and then click on these three dots and there will be rename option. You can click on it and you can rename it. So this is how you can change your file name easily. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching.